Hello, in this video I will show how we can create a chart in Excel in just one single step. Okay, so you see that I have a table here which has a data. Okay, now if you will use the traditional method to create a chart, then it's going to take time. Let's say I want to create chart of this, then I will just go to insert, then I will click on chart, then I will select the chart, then I will click the, so it's going to take time. Okay, now I want to get this done in just one single step. Okay, so let me show how to get this done. Okay, so first select your data. So that is my data. Okay, now after that press alt and F1, alt and F1. Okay, I'm repeating, let me write it down. Now press alt plus F1. Okay, so just press alt plus F1, that's it. Okay, so our chart is ready now. Okay, you see our chart is ready. You can see the chart, right? If I go to home, see, I just click like this, you can see the chart. Okay, so you see that Diana Spencer has the maximum spendings. Okay, and then there are other spendings as well. Okay, right, fine. All right, so that's it for this video.